I'm 12 right now, and I study English with Systemic for about 2 years now. I started in the 6th year of the school, and now I'm in the 7th. And I like to study with it a lot because Systemic is really cool, you know. It helps a lot to fix some other subjects like science and maths, and we study some interesting subjects. It is really cool, and we have some dynamics and games and everything. It's really, really cool.
Hello, my name is Otávio. I am 15 years old, and I study in the Colégio Santa Rita, and I have classes with Systemic since the last year. And I love Systemic. I love the way the book is made. I love the questions. I love the way of the text is made. It's a different way to learn English and a better way to learn.
Tu vas